In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the checkout page on Wix. We're going to walk through the entire process step by step so you can make your checkout form and header match your brand and collect exactly the information you need from your customers. First, log into your Wix account and open the site you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, look over to the left-hand panel and click on Settings. Inside the Settings area, use the search bar and type Checkout. Select the checkout option from the results. On the checkout settings page, look for the section called Checkout Form. Here, click the Edit button. This will open up the checkout form editor where you can control what your customers see and fill out during checkout. Inside the form editor, you'll see the existing fields like name, address, and so on. On the left side, you can add additional fields if you need more information from your customers, such as notes, special requests, or custom details related to your products or services. To edit any field, click directly on it, then choose Field Settings. A panel will open on the right side of the screen. Under the General tab, you can change the field title, and you can choose whether the field is required or optional. You can also set placeholder text, add a short description to guide customers, and control whether it's treated as personal information. These small details can really improve clarity and reduce errors during checkout. If you switch to the Advanced tab, you'll see an option to limit characters. Here you can set minimum and maximum character limits, which is helpful if you want to restrict the length of responses like order notes or IDs. If there's a field you no longer need, select it and click the trash icon to delete it. To change the order of fields, hover over the ellipsis icon next to a field, then drag and drop it up or down to reposition it. When you're happy with the layout and settings, make sure to click Save at the top right of the editor. Next, go back to the main checkout settings page. This time, look for the Checkout Header section and click Edit. A pop-up will appear where you can customize how your brand appears at the top of the checkout page. You can choose whether to display your business name or your logo, and you can adjust the alignment to place it on the side or centered. You'll also see an option to show or hide the Continue Browsing link in the header. Decide whether you want customers to be able to easily return to shopping from the checkout page. Finally, customize the background and text colors to match your site's branding. Once you've adjusted everything, click Save at the bottom right of the pop-up. Your customized checkout page is now ready with both the form and header tailored to your business.